right, potato lovers, this one's for you. Ever wonder why your mashed potatoes are silky smooth one day and fluffy the next? Or why your roasted potatoes sometimes don't crisp up? It's all about choosing the right potato. Today, we're breaking down Yukon Gold, Red, and Russet so you'll never guess again. Yukon Golds are the creamy dream. They've got a buttery flavor and a medium starch level, which makes them perfect for mashing, roasting, and even gratins. If you want smooth, rich mashed potatoes without drowning them in butter, this is your pick. Fun fact, they're naturally golden because of the carotenoids, the same antioxidants found in carrots. Red potatoes are the waxy champs. They hold their shape like a pro, which makes them perfect for potato salads, soups, and roasting when you want that firm bite. Plus, they've got a subtle sweetness that plays well with herbs. Fun fact, their thin skin means you don't have to peel them. Hello, easy prep. Russets are the high starch powerhouse. They're dry and fluffy, which makes them perfect for baked potatoes, crispy fries, and light, airy mashed potatoes. If you want that classic steakhouse baked potato, this is your spud. Fun fact, they're the most common potato in the US and the go-to for French fries. So here's your cheat sheet. Yukon Gold for creamy richness, Red for firm, colorful bites, and Russets for fluffy perfection. Fun fact, potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. How cool is that? All right, now spill. Are you Team Yukon for that buttery mash, Team Red for salads, or Team Russet for fries and baked goodness? Drop your favorite in the comments. We've got plenty more kitchen tips coming your way. Have fun cooking.